factory left town. Said, son, keep your nose clean, this land'll turn you around. He died with a mortgage and a 30-year Ford. I still hear him swearing that our work was the Lord. Now I'm pushing 35 with a name tag and a limp. Rentin half a double wide, praying tips come in. Mama cleaned the houses of folks who don't know her name, yeah. Came home smelling bleach and quiet shame. She kept a picture of the White House on the fridge with a magnet. Said one day we'll get there, baby, you just gotta grab it. That magnet's rusted, now the picture's turned brown. Mama's in a nursing home, the state's shutting down. The dream don't live here anymore. It packed his bags back in on 4. Took the jobs, took the hope, took the front porch light. Left the staring at the stars we can't afford to reach tonight. Yeah, the dream don't live here anymore. My baby girl's learning TikTok dances in the dark, 'cause the Wi-Fi's stronger than the future we embark. She asked me why the flag out front is faded and torn. I said that's what happens when promises get worn. She'll be working 3 jobs before she's 21. Same song, different verse, same setting sun. They keep selling us tomorrow on a 30-year loan, while billionaires buy rockets and leave us here alone. I still punch a clock, still salute the light, still whisper to the night sky, Lord, tell me why. The dream don't live here anymore. It packed his bags back in on 4. Took the schools, took the roads, took the middle class fight. Left us drowning in the glow of a Walmart neon night. No, the dream don't live here anymore. The dream don't live here anymore. The dream don't live here anymore. But sometimes late at night I still walk the floor, wondering if my kids will ever get to see the America that killed the heart in me, yeah. Yeah, the dream don't